This is the second truck. Coming in. So this is the second truck, and according to truck number 1, should have at least 2 more trucks coming in.